What's up with y'all? This big boss. Check this out, man. See this? This the boss. I'm bringing it to the mall. I'm gonna get some reactions live with the boss. I'm gonna ask a few people. We finna see if they like it or not. But right now, before we go out there, I'm going to an open house to see this property, and I'm with
Ebony.
Popo. But yeah, though, so I'm about to go see this house. I'm about to take y'all with me. Where my glasses at? All right, boy, I'm about to go out there. I'm about to do that. I'll see y'all later. See, if I said he could build something right there.
You know what's the most profitable down here? Parking lot.
Yes, I can imagine. Especially downtown parking lots. All right, y'all, we here. I mean, yeah, Ebony. Let me see the fit though. Hold on, y'all. Let me show y'all the fit. All right, you're about to go inside the open house.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
I love your face. I don't really like the wood all in the bedroom. I agree. I'm gonna step on something soft. And then it's nice too, they carry the carpet all the way through.
Oh, I got the wash machine.
That
looks nice to you.
Oh, I'm so happy you guys.
Oh my God. I already know what you're finna say. Just let me look around, look at the bar again. Hold on. Yeah, though, so.
Hey. They probably waxing.
Might, kinda, maybe. Yeah. Probably like 8,000 a month.
We can do 8,000.
8,000. We have to work for that.
Such a cozy brother.
But we have to work for that, baby. You know that? Like, we have to do one thing really good for a long time, like 10 years.
Bye-bye. There we
I think you got the key. Yeah, we seen it, man. It's nice.
What up, you guys? I'm at H&M right now. Big Boss has found a code that he fell in love with. How you feeling about the coat, Big Boss?
I like the color.
Look vicious to me. Look pretty good.
All right, y'all. Let me talk to y'all. I went to the mall. I was supposed to allow and ask a few people to smell the boss, right? Because that's why you click this video. I'm gonna be honest. I low-key don't know where to start. I swear to God, I went there. I'm like, I don't really know these people. And I didn't know how to go up to them and ask them just random ass questions about my fragrance. All right, y'all, I'm back to the crib. I was just meaning to say that, how can I say this? I think I was shy, bruh. I just don't know what I'm gonna say. I don't know. I ain't have my mic with me. I was nervous, don't even know why. So yeah, I punked out, man. Y'all just gotta trust me when I say that the jock smell good, the boss smell good, and the stud is like an acquired taste. All right, so y'all believe me then, we in there. So I'm gonna work on my confidence, and when I master that level, y'all gonna just see a video pop up like Chris is outside asking people random ass questions. It's out of my expertise, okay? Now, I know you also saying, Chris, how the hell you be doing the verses, but you can't do the verses outside? I don't know. I ain't think too deep on it like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm working on that. I'm figuring out the answer. But in the meantime, it smells good. All right, let's get into a little video for y'all. 5 great wedding fragrances. Fragrances for the get together. I wouldn't even say just weddings. I'll say like the Met Gala, a ball, a fancy dinner, the most elegant dinner ever. Whenever you just know you about to put a tux on. Tux fragrances. 5 tux fragrances. Come on, let me talk to y'all. Y'all see this right here? It's that Tom Ford. I can't pronounce this. So let me just try it. Is it Soleil Brûlant? I don't know. I butchered it. But this Tom Ford is creamy, is sexy. Pistachio ice cream, that's what I meant to say. That is a great fragrance for a night out. Another great fragrance for a night out, if I was gonna wing it. I can honestly say Creed Aventus is a great rich scent. An alternative to this could be like Mont Blanc Explorer or Club de Nuit Man Intense if you didn't want to pay $300 for a fragrance. But Creed Aventus is in there for a great fancy ball. Also, Killian's Angel Share. Oh man, that's just that bourbon apple pie. Yeah, that's something different. It's like a sweet bourbon cinnamon apple pie. It smells lovely. I love that scent. It smells really good. Y'all should go try that if you don't. Oh, another one that smells great for a ball is Dior'S Intense. It's a skin scent, so it sits really close to the skin. But if you making contact with people, like you giving them hugs and you're greeting them, like the kiss on the cheek or whatever, this right here, you got to get up close, but it do last 12 hours. It's like a lipstick, lavender, iris smelling fragrance. It's very iconic. One of Dior's best fragrances that they released. I love it. It smells really good. Like I said, it's just a skin scent. Another fragrance that's great for a ball, I'll have to say, would be probably this baby right here. Tom Ford Ombre Leather Parfum. And you know why I say that. It's just that leather, sweet leather car smell that's really musky, dense, that turns heads, and like you can see how the bottle is like matte black with like white. You can tell that's gonna probably be the color of your tux. Like this is a black tux fragrance for sure. Like the most manliest masculine fragrance of all time. Like, man, this y'all don't even want to know how I got this bottle, man. It's a secret, but it's fire. Okay. I'm glad y'all watched. I love y'all. I'm finna do my thing. Don't forget to go pre-order the Jock. Don't forget to make sure you grab some of the Boss. Make sure you grab some of the Stud. You know what I mean? Banker fragrances that I made myself. You can find that on my website, Christopher Lee Fragrances. I love y'all. Y'all stay looking good. Y'all stay being fly. I'm out.
I'm selling that cake. Fuck all the fucking and fuck all the talking and fuck all the walking. Got money to make. Fuck on a bitch and I don't do a date. Came off the streets and I'm paving my way. Yeah, you on top, but I'm counting your days. Yeah, you on top, but I'm counting your days. Came to the party with no gun. Left the party with a